I just wanted to share that I got this adorable plaid dress in. I was a little worried it's going to be a little short for me since I have such a long torso, so everything always runs a little shorter if it's a one piece, but it's actually not too bad. I really, really like it. I like it, the fact that it does have pockets. Pockets are such a good thing for a dress. It's like the best when you find a dress with pockets. It comes in a ton of different prints, like a black and white one. It's got like, I think, more like a red one with a different type of colored checks with it. It's really, really cute plaids. So it's not super heavy. It's very nice flannel. It's soft. I like the fact that it has a collar. I had another one in the years past that didn't have a collar and I didn't love it, so I gave it away. But this one is a keeper for sure. You can pair it with tall boots. You can pair it with short boots. You know, whatever you want to do for the winter. If you're a little colder, you could even do tights with it. But I really like it. It's my new plaid dress.